Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we are going to go over unlocking hidden treasures, secret side hustles to boost your income instantly. Make sure to watch until the end as I will be going over unconventional side hustles, leveraging technology for income and time management tips. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of secret side hustles that can boost your income instantly. If you've ever felt the pinch of rising expenses or just want a little extra cash for that dream vacation, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore unconventional ways to earn money that you might not have considered before. From quirky gigs to creative online opportunities, we'll uncover hidden gems that can help you pad your wallet without a huge time commitment. Why stick to the usual side jobs when there are so many lesser known options out there? Exploring these unique hustles can lead to quick financial gains and even some fun along the way. So, whether you're a busy professional, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking to make a little extra on the side, stay tuned. You might just find the perfect side hustle that fits your lifestyle and boosts your income in ways you never imagined. The gig economy, a new frontier. The gig economy has transformed the way we think about work and income, creating a new frontier for flexible earning opportunities. Gone are the days when a traditional 9-to-5 job was the only path to financial stability. Now, individuals can tap into their skills and passions to generate income on their own terms. This shift has opened doors for countless side hustles, allowing people to work when and where they want. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork have become game changers in this space, connecting freelancers with clients seeking a wide range of services. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, or even a virtual assistant, these platforms make it easier than ever to find gigs that match your expertise. So why not take a moment to reflect on your own skills and interests? You might be surprised at the potential gigs waiting for you. Embrace the gig economy and discover how you can turn your talents into a rewarding side hustle that fits your lifestyle. Unconventional side hustles. Let's dive into some unconventional side hustles that can help you generate quick income. If you love animals, pet sitting could be a perfect fit. It requires minimal investment, just a safe space for the pets, and a little time to care for them. You can easily start by offering your services to friends and family or through local community groups. Another fun option is mystery shopping. Companies pay you to shop at their stores and provide feedback on your experience. All you need is a keen eye and a willingness to share your thoughts. Have items lying around that you rarely use? Consider renting them out. Whether it's camping gear, tools, or even your car, platforms like Fat Llama make it easy to connect with people who need what you have. The key is to get creative and think about your personal passions. There are countless unique side hustles waiting for you to explore. So don't hesitate to turn your interests into income. Leveraging technology for income. In today's digital age, technology offers incredible opportunities to create income streams like never before. Apps and websites such as TaskRabbit and Etsy have revolutionized the way we approach side hustles. TaskRabbit connects you with people in your area who need help with tasks, from cleaning to handyman work, allowing you to earn money based on your skills and availability. On the other hand, Etsy is a fantastic platform for creative individuals to sell handmade goods or unique digital products, turning hobbies into profitable ventures. But it doesn't stop there. Social media plays a crucial role in marketing your side hustle. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook can help you showcase your work, attract clients, and build a loyal customer base. If you have tech skills, now is the time to leverage them. Whether it's creating a website, optimizing your online presence, or using digital tools to streamline your processes, enhancing your earning potential has never been easier. Embrace technology and watch your side hustle thrive. Time management tips. Managing time effectively is crucial when juggling side hustles alongside your main job or responsibilities. One of the best strategies is to prioritize your tasks. Start by identifying what needs immediate attention and what can wait. Setting realistic goals for each day can help you stay focused and motivated. Break larger projects into smaller, manageable tasks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Creating a schedule is another essential step in balancing work and side hustles. Whether you prefer a digital calendar or a traditional planner, mapping out your week can help you allocate specific time blocks for your side hustle activities. This way, you can ensure that you're dedicating enough time to both your primary job and your side projects. Don't forget to track your progress. Regularly reviewing what you've accomplished allows you to see what's working and what isn't. Adjust your strategies as needed to optimize your time management. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to successfully balancing your side hustles and achieving your goals. Success stories. Let's take a moment to celebrate some inspiring success stories of individuals who turned their side hustles into thriving full-time careers. One remarkable example is Sarah, who started her journey as a freelance graphic designer while working a 9-to-5 job. Initially, she faced challenges like time management and finding clients. However, by leveraging social media and networking, she built a solid portfolio and eventually transitioned to full-time freelancing, allowing her to pursue her passion fully. Another inspiring story is that of Mike, who began selling handmade furniture on Etsy as a weekend project. Despite facing stiff competition and initial slow sales, he focused on quality and unique designs. By investing time in marketing and customer engagement, he grew his side hustle into a successful business that now supports his family. These stories remind us that challenges are part of the journey. With determination and creativity, you too can envision your own success through similar efforts. So, take that first step and start building your side hustle today. In conclusion, as we wrap up today's discussion, let's recap the key takeaways about secret side hustles and their incredible potential for generating quick income. We explored various unconventional opportunities, from pet sitting and mystery shopping to leveraging technology through platforms like TaskRabbit and Etsy. We also highlighted the importance of effective time management and shared inspiring success stories that show how side hustles can evolve into full-time careers. Now, if you found this information valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us create more content that empowers you to explore new income opportunities. Don't forget to check out our related videos and resources available on our channel or website. There's a wealth of information waiting for you to dive into. Thank you for joining us today, and we can't wait to see you in our next video as you embark on your side hustle journey. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.